Probably one of the coolest feature on your Samsung Galaxy A55 smartphone or any other Samsung phone with Android 13 or 14, where you can double press the power button and turn on the flashlight wherever you are, whenever you want to. Let's go ahead and get started. When you're ready to do this, use the quick panel access, tap on the settings icon right here. And once you're in the main settings of your Samsung phone, you'll type in the search bar here, the word or words side button. That's what you're gonna type. And you'll see these options here. You want to go to the one that says advanced features. As you tap on that one time, you'll see these set of options for your side button. You want to turn on the one that says double press, okay? So what's going to happen now, you'll see these options. You want to select the one that says open app because the flashlight is actually an app, okay? And you'll select the flashlight option, okay? Once you do that here, you will have the flashlight as an option now, okay? So of course, if you want to, you'll tap here on the settings icon if you haven't got that option, and that'll take you to the different apps that you can open up with the double press. Keep in mind that not every app will work if you have the lock screen, but the flashlight will work whether you have the lock screen or not. So once we have that set now, we can easily double press our power button here and turn on the flashlight, okay? So double press once, double press to turn it off. Now, if I'm in the lock screen mode, I'm in the middle of some darkness here, and I need some light right now. Just boom, and then boom. Awesome feature. Like and sub.